For making this warli art, I'm using disposable plate. This plate you can find from any store. I'm using red and brown color. I'm mixing both the color and painting inner part of this plate. So here I'm done with the painting, and now I will allow it to dry at least for 10 to 20 minutes. Here I made two circles with the help of rounder, and then I am just marking roughly to get an idea. Now I am using white paint to paint my warli art. Here I am making simple border. I am using pencil to make these small circles, but you can use any object.